McPherson.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 24 Florence Circuit in Taroomball.
It's 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with stunning in-ground pool, and room for a shed is one to inspect.
Come on in and take a look.
Everyone knows how much I absolutely love a galley style kitchen, and this one is no exception, with waterfall stone bench tops, gas cooking and quality electric appliances, not to mention the walk-in butler's pantry. The functional floor plan and entertaining options on offer at this property are exceptional, not to mention the generous extras throughout, including solar.
So guys, that was 24 Florence Circuit in Taroomball. I really love the space on offer on this property, with great side access, room for the shed, and the location is really central. If you'd like to view this property, please don't hesitate to call Anna or myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.